Hello everybody, today I want to talk about good microphone technique. So whenever you're singing, obviously the microphone amplifies your sound of your voice. So the further the microphone goes away, the less it's amplified. The closer you get it to your mouth, the louder it gets. So right now, it's practically touching my lips, and you can hear how much louder it is. And even an inch, 2 inches, a foot away can make a big difference on where the microphone sounds loud at. So when you're belting out a tune, and I'll just take, I don't know, let's say Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's take that one. Something that's copyright free. Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, little lamb. So you can see where I have the microphone at, it does make a big difference. And this comes with experience. That typically when I belt out a really high note, I pull the microphone away as I sing louder. And as I sing softer, I get a little bit closer to the microphone. So that's the basic parts of it. And of course, as you get some experience playing live, different venues, different rooms, all those things, different microphones, all those play into how you use the microphone, where you put the microphone at. Today, as always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel because I will totally compute. Have you seen The Rise of the Robots? If you haven't, go to www.therobotfilm.com to watch the most amazing film ever made by mankind. I made it. Compute that, everybody. Yeah, compute it.